It's Billy playing time. Oh yeah. It's Billy playing time. It's when we play with Billy. My dog. I'm gonna go get the thing. I'm gonna go put it in this dog ratting thing. I like your ball. You like your ball a lot, Bailey. I know that. Alright, are you ready? Ready? Ready, Bailey? Ready? Sorry, I just gonna switch hands with the camera. I can't do it with this hand. I can't throw it very far. I'm not very good at it. I'm better just throwing it than checking it with this ball thing. Oh yeah, it's hard to get it out of the mouth. I hate doing this. Come on, Bailey. Come on. Roar. Roar. Come. Let go of the ball. Drop. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop. Drop. Oh. Never mind. Oh, I got it. Luckily, I got it in like more than like a while. I'm gonna throw it up there and see what happens. I gotta switch arms. Oh my gosh, she just shredded up some of the grass. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. It's not in there, Bailey. Where did it go? I found it. I found it. Oh, darn it. So I'm back. Darn it! Come on, Bailey. Come over here. Over here. Well, I was thinking of making this video, so no, music video that I was gonna make. It's called Autograph, but I kind of forgot how it goes. So hopefully I'll remember, and I'll hopefully be out soon. So, wait, the lilac trees are blooming. All right, come on, Bailey. Bailey, 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 Bailey. What are you listening to? Come on, Bailey. Come on, Bailey. Let's go, Bailey. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I am more of a dog person than a cat person. I like my dog a lot. Hey, Bailey, no. Don't go over there. Alright. See? Your part. It's really gross. Ew, it's another one. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe and click on the button. But I found a 4-leaf clover today, so I think I should get lucky, maybe. So maybe you can help me with that. by clicking on the oh no, on the little subscribe button, and you can like it also. And comment. I haven't got any comments yet. So, yeah. So, have a nice day. Hope you find a clover too. Actually, bye. Out there, it's still. Oh.